Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea. For those who don't know me, I vlog about fashion, style, and life basically. So today's video, I had the idea where I wanted to bleach dye a shirt that I got yesterday. This is an example of what I'm going to be doing. My Ariana Grande shirt. I dyed this back when quarantine was, you know, a thing and there was nothing to do in the house and everybody was tie-dyeing stuff on TikTok, so that's what I did. Doing this process, it literally took me half an hour. Super fast, super easy, and it's super fun also. I enjoy DIYs, making things and doing stuff here and there. Alright you guys, I have the final product and this is how it came out. Super easy, super dope. I love it so much. I cannot wait to wear this with everything. Right? Super dope. Okay you guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I would love to hear your feedback or your commentary about this. If you would like for me to make more videos like these, please let me know. I'd be glad to. I hope you guys have a great day today, and yeah, bye.